In this video, I'll show you how to buy real Telegram starts on Fansgurus. Let's log in first. Log in with your account. Here is the dashboard. Open services on the left. We're doing Telegram, so I pick the Telegram icon. Scroll to find service 16028, Telegram starts. Let me open the details and explain it. This service brings 100% real, active users to start your Telegram bot app, not bots. They come at up to 5K a day, drip-fed at a steady, controllable pace, so growth looks natural. Retention is high, so your count stays stable and rarely drops. Now let's place an order. It's simple. Paste your Telegram bot link here. Enter how many starts you want. The price is calculated automatically. Check everything, click submit, and you're done. It usually starts within 5 to 10 minutes. That's how you buy real Telegram starts on Fansgurus.